Speaking of the economy reopening, the economy is expected to boom and do extremely well. The stock market, with earnings coming up, is expected to do really well in the second quarter this year. And that is going to propel a lot of stocks, not only recovery stocks, but also tech stocks, a lot higher this year. So the nation's economic growth is really going to be in for a boost in the second quarter this year, as a lot of things start to reopen because of the vaccine rollout and because the states are opening things up more and more. So right now, Americans, like almost 95% of Americans, are able to get the vaccine or are eligible to get it. Soon, everyone's going to be eligible to have the vaccine. It's going to be able to get it. And it's just going to be a matter of time before everyone is capable of getting it. It doesn't mean everyone's going to choose to take the vaccine, but everyone's going to be able to get it. And now with states reopening activities like reopening more activities, people getting vaccinated, retailers, restaurants, hotels, gyms, service-oriented business, travel, all these things are already starting to see a boost. Like, we're seeing more travel bookings. A lot of airlines recorded the highest day of travel in over a year. Uber and Lyft saw more bookings than they've seen in a year as well. So all of these things are starting to reopen. And as that happens, we're going to see airlines do a lot more business. People are going to want to travel, get out. Restaurants, people haven't gone out to eat as much as they used to. All these things are going to experience a massive boom. And combined with all of this, combined with reopening and people wanting to go out, do stuff, there's been trillions of dollars that has been spent in stimulus that has been either sitting in people's bank accounts or is just ready to be spent even more so in the economy. A lot of people use this stimulus to pay bills, but according to estimates, there's still a lot of it that's just sitting in people's bank accounts that's either grown by investing in the stock market or is just sitting in their bank accounts and is ready to be spent. And all of this money is going to flood into restaurants, hotels, travel industry, and it's going to skyrocket these stocks. And so while a lot of this has already been factored in for the second quarter, a lot of these stock prices already have factored in that the economy is going to reopen, things are going to do well. But analysts are projecting that a lot of people underestimate how much money is going to be spent for these companies and how much these companies are going to grow over the next couple of months as the vaccine really starts getting rolled out and as summer comes around. They think, especially with travel, I think some of the best plays are going to be like Spirit Airlines. People are going to want to travel to Florida, and Spirit is one of the go-to companies for traveling back and forth to Florida. So I think we're going to see a lot of these stocks really have a great second quarter. And I think people spending stimulus money, more vaccines getting rolled out, I think all of that's going to turn towards companies posting really great second quarter results, and it's going to cause these stock prices to increase even more. The one thing that could hurt stock prices would be interest rates. And if we see interest rates increase, that could definitely hinder stock prices moving forward. But as long as that's kept under control, I think that the stocks and the stock market is setting itself up for a big second quarter, and analysts are projecting the same exact thing between stimulus money, the economy reopening, vaccines being distributed, and it's the time of year like starting to get closer to summer where people are going to be traveling more, going out more, and spending more money.